Gold and silver traded in a range yesterday, and today we have seen the metal starting the day on a bearish note. We have seen gold moving towards 27, 24, 25, the strong support zone, because below this we are expecting a greater drop, while silver has also moved towards the yesterday's lows at 32.25, 32.20, 30 zone is indeed a very, very good support. Now, important day, the US elections day. The results anyways are going to be there by tomorrow, but yes, the volatility has to be there today itself. What to expect, where we are, whether we are looking forward to a greater rise or the metals are about to crash? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit today trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and the next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Remember, this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames and arrive at the levels which are logical for you to take a trade and trade profitably. Do not miss to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's start first gold followed with silver. Watch this. Now see, first let me show you something on the weekly charts. What has happened? Now see, gold has started with a slight retracement here, and now today it has hit the lows which we had seen the last week, 27, 24 levels, which is indeed a very good support zone for now, because once it breaks below 27, 24, 25 zone, we are looking forward to a greater move, and then we can in fact expect it to equalize the lows for the last week around 27.10. Below 27.10 is where major bearishness should be seen, and then this should become the reversal confirmation where we will look forward to 2700 first, and then 2680 levels should appear very, very soon, because below that a greater correction is waiting for gold. Yes, too much of divergence calls for it to converge, but let's have a look at the daily. See, on the daily charts, what is happening here, you should notice, see, yesterday we have seen a swing candle. It has created couple of steps, and now after creating the steps, it is breaking here on the downside. Now see, it is still staying a little far above from the 20 period moving average, which is sitting right now at around 2720 levels. So a possible move towards 2720 cannot be denied. Only bullishness today in gold is about 2740 levels. If you see it is staying above 2740, we can expect it to rise. And see, it is important for gold to break beyond 2750-52 in order to confirm reversal. As long as it stays below 2750-52, we should not be treating this for a reversal. That is the first point. Second point here is, see, after dropping here, it has breached the support at 2730-32 today and traded lower, and possibility is there that we may see a move towards 2018 zone. And in fact, if it breaks 27-2018 zone, we can look forward to a greater correction here. That is the first point. Now, if you look at the moving averages, these are still bullish. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. Look at the MACD. This is trading with divergence. This is looking downwards. This calls for a little correction here. Possibility is there that it may continue to trade with divergence, and it may continue to trade with the bearishness here. RSI has also come out of the oversold zone. But before we come to the other time frames, let's also have a look at the 4-hour, 3-hour, 2-hour time frames. And if you see on the 4-hour time frame, see, there is a slide here. It has created steps, and if you notice the formation drop, retracement drop again, lower highs, lower lows. Now, only bullishness today is, if you see, it is staying above 2750, what we had seen a greater resistance yesterday. If it stays above this, we can treat this as bullish, else it is still right now trading in the bearish zone. Also today, 2740-42 is going to be first and foremost resistance here. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI has dropped. Signs are very much bearish. On the 3-hour charts, when you look at, see, on the 3-hour, after series of bearish candles, it is trying to post a little recovery. But I will say that, see, what has happened, drop, a bit of steps are created, and the first bearish candle has appeared. Uh, because see, once it is turned bearish, I expect that there has to be a follow-up candle here as well, which will put pressure on the Bollinger Bands to expand here. Yes, it is narrowed and time for it to expand. Thus the recovery it is trying to show may get reversed, and we can expect a reversal here. But right now I can say that it is trying to retrace a bit, and if it tries to retrace, if it continues on the upside, 2740-42 first and 2746 levels should be a greater resistance. Stochastic at bottom, MACD trading bearish, RSI at bottom. On the 2-hour charts, good steps are created, increasing body size. I will wait for the next candle that will confirm the move here. Possibility is there that once it stays below 27, we can expect a further drop. And once it stays below 2718 is where we can look forward to 2710 and 2700 zone. Right now the moving averages are also trading with divergence and bearishness, and also we had seen yesterday the 20 period moving average providing it a greater resistance. Thus today 274042 is going to be the first resistance, 46 the second, and 5052 the third. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is all again crossing over for sell. It is already at bottom, and the RSI has dropped. Coming to hourly chart. Now, what we have seen on the other time frames on the hourly charts also, after forming steps, it is trying to retrace. And see, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 2736. That is the point which will confirm a further rise. But ideally, we have to wait for 274042 levels to be taken. That will be the only confirmation of bullishness here. And till 2740 and 42 you have to be extremely cautious, and then also 46 and 50 levels will come into picture, the greater resistance zone. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is at bottom. So looking at this, before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals, and a safer environment for you to trade, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, where to buy? I will ideally wait for 2740 levels, but yes, you can initiate a buying entry at 273638 zone somewhere here. Expect 4042 as a greater resistance, and if it breaks beyond 4042, 2745, 46, and 2750 levels, 5052. If 2750-52 is taken today, stay bullish. We can look forward to 2760, and further bullishness may prevail. Though, as far as the charts are speaking, I do not see such a strong bullish movement. But yes, the markets are definitely volatile, and as in how the election progresses and the results, or you can say the exit poll results are getting declared tomorrow. When you see the exit polls tomorrow, you can find out further more volatility. So today again it is going to be a base for it, and the things are definitely going to remain choppy. Thus you have to trade with caution, specifically on the upside. While on the downside, now you can sell here at 27 levels itself. Expect 2724 first. It has to break below 2724-25 zone first and foremost support levels. That is also the double bottom levels from the last week, and below which you can expect it to move towards 2718, 2712, 10, and then below that 270205. Below 270205 we are looking forward to a greater correction towards 2680 levels very, very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. So see, silver on the weekly charts has already achieved lower lows, and if you look at the preceding candle, this comes with a greater down move, and it appears that it may continue to deliver a red candle here. But again, 32-20-30 is the zone on the downside, and 33-33-20 is the zone on the upside, which are going to remain greater support and resistances. Thus today, if you see it is staying below 32-20, that is the point of time you can take a sell. Yesterday also I have, and below 3220 is where you can expect 3195, 32 as the first target zone, 3175, 3150, and in fact we can expect a move towards 31 as well in this week itself. Now this week does not mean that today itself it is going to deliver this. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts you can find out it is a swing here. Preceding candle, see, another point to note here is the diminishing bearishness in these three candles. Now today it is important for silver to break below 3220 levels, which will confirm the bearishness today. If it drops below 3220, that is the point of time we can say that the metals are turning bearish. Below 3220 is where certainly greater bearishness will prevail. Now see what has happened today. Yesterday 20 period moving average provided it a greater resistance, and thus this zone becomes critical. I have mentioned yesterday as well, 3285, 33, and 3320. Only and only if you see trading bill above this, you can say that now silver is reversing. Stochastic here is oversold, which calls for a little recovery, but the MACD is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Signs are still bearish here. Coming to 4, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see lower highs are there. Current candle is a swing candle. Possibly it may try to close at around 3240 levels, and when the next candle starts, we can see further bearishness continuing here. Now if you see it is staying above 3260, when you see the lower price above 3260, we can initiate a buying entry here. But then 3280-85, very good resistance should be seen here, and if it breaks beyond this, you can expect a reversal. Else, as long as, again as I said, till 3320, do not treat silver as bullish. Stochastic here has dropped. The MACD is also almost trading at bottom. The RSI is also at bottom on the 4-hour charts. And on the 3-hour charts, the observation is similar. See the current candle starting with the swing. It has started at the lows trying to recover. But if you look at the preceding candle, which is a swing candle and which comes after a moderate bearish candle, so it appears that hitting the highs, it can again reverse. And then we can look forward to a move towards 3220 here. Stochastic here at bottom, the MACD is trying to retrace, the RSI is at bottom. On the 2-hour charts also, the observation is more or less. And likewise on the 2-hour chart, see, important thing to note is after series of bearishness trying to recover, but I will say we have to wait for 3260 and 3280-85 levels to be taken in order to confirm a reversal here. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back, MACD retracing, RSI trying to recover. Coming to the hourly charts, the observation is more or less same. Greater resistance is here on the upside till towards 3250-60 zone. We have to wait for it to stay above these levels in order to confirm a reversal here. Though the stochastic MACD and RSI showing signs of retracement. So looking at this, very clear buy at 3260 levels. That is the only level above which we can expect slight bullishness. Expect 3280-85 as the first target, 33 as the second, and 3320-25 as the third. If it at any point of time it stays above 3320-25, stay bullish for 3360, and then $34 levels are also possible. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3220 levels ideally. Below 3220 is where you can expect bearishness to prevail, where you can expect 3195, 3175, and 3150 levels as the next targets. Below 3150 is where a greater correction is expected. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Stay tuned. Press the bell icon. Subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.